Good morning, children. Welcome to my today's English class. And today we will read our third chapter from non-detail part. And before that, we should recite Brahmanath. Brahmanath. शांति 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 स्वस्थ. Today we are going to read our third chapter, the village judge. Before going through the lesson, I have given a short story for you. Let's listen the story.
नमस्कार मु दीपक सेनापति. आज शुणा आमे पिला बेले तृतीय श्रेणी बही रे पढ़िथिबा गोटे सुंदर कहानी पुणी से माने हसिले. परिवेषण परशुराम बेहेरा. नरसिंहपुर गाँव रे करीमी आउ कृपा सिंधुर घर. दुई जनकर घर पूरा पाखापाखी. सकाळु उठिले मुह देखा देखी, विपद आपदरे कांधकु कांध मिलई ठिया हुअंती. जानी जात्रा पुनेई परब मिलिमिशिकरी पाळंती. कृपा सिंधुर झियो ना सोमा आउ करीमीर झियो ना हासिना. सोमा आउ हासिना गोटिए श्रेणी रे पढ़ंती. पाखापाखी बसंती, एकाठी खेलंती आउ एकाठी बुलंती. करीम निज घरे किछि कुकुड़ा पाली थाए. कृपा सिंधु सहकरे गोटे कुकुर भी पाली थाए. ता ना होउछि कालिया. बेଳ पाइले कालिया करीमीर कुकुड़ारू गोटाए दुईटा झांपी निए. प्रथमे प्रथमे करीमी किछि कहु नथिला, हेले सिए बाऊ केते सहिब. कुकुरटीकु जबत करिबा पई करीमी कृपा सिंधु को नेहुरा हैला. कृपा सिंधु एथर कालिया को आखिरे रखिला. हेले कौन हब, प्रकृति से छाड़ुची कोठू. सुजोग उंडी कालिया गोटे दुईटा कुकुड़ा झांपी निए. करीम एथर भारी रागिगला. दिने करीम कुकुर को पाने दब बोली छकिकी रहिला. कालिया कुकुड़ा भारी उपरकू जेमती डिया मारिची, करीम देला पहारे. कालिया कें कें हेई धाइला आउ से छोटा हेई गला. एथिरे कृपा सिंधु रागी जाई करीम को बहुत गाली कला. करीम मध्य कृपा सिंधु को गाली कला. बेलकू बेल कजिया बढ़िला. सेबे ठारू दुई परिवार भितरे कथाबार्ता बंद. हासिना सांगरे मिसिबाकू कृपा सिंधु सोमा को मना करिदेला. सोमा और हासिना भितरे मिलामिशा कथाबार्ता सबू बंद हो गला. एथिरे सेमानंकर मन भारी दुख. आग परी काहारी मुहरे आउ हस नथिला. दिनकर कथा. स्कूल पछपाख नईकूल रे हासिना खेलुथाए. हठात भूस करी गोटे शब्द हैला. हासिना नईकूल को दौड़िला. देखिला सोमा पानी रे बुड़ुची आउ उठुची. हासिनार तो हलक सुखीगला. हठात आखिरे पड़िला बरगछरे माड़ीथिबा शियाली लता. सेथिरु खंडे बड़ लटाकू दांतरे छिड़ेई पकेइला. आउ लटा खंडकू सोमा आड़कू पकेई देई कहिला, सोमा याकू धरी पका. सोमा लताटीकू जोर करी धरी पकेइला. हासिना लताटीकू कूल आड़कू आस्ते आस्ते टाणीबारे लागिला. मझिरे मझिरे दौड़ी आस बोली पाटी करी डाकुथाए. हासिनार पाटी शुणी अनेक पिलांकू सांगरे धरी गुरुजी मध्य सेठिकी दौड़ी आसिले. हासिना लताटीकू टाणिला बेले धई सई हेई जाउथाए. तथापि से प्राण प्रणे लताटीकू टाणुथाए. ता सह गुरुजी आउ पिला माने मिसी गले. सोमा को कूल को आनिले. सेते बेलकू सोमा पानी पी जाई थाए. सोमा पानी रे बुड़ी जिबा खबर शुणी करीमी आउ कृपा सिंधु नई कूल को दौड़ी आसिले. କରିମି ଆଉ କୃପା ସିନ୍ଧୁ ଦି ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖି ଗୁରୁଜୀ କହିଲେ, କୃପା ସିନ୍ଧୁ, ତମେ ସୋମାକୁ ହାସିନା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ମିଶିବାକୁ ମନା କରିଥିଲ ନା? ଆଜି ସେଇ ହାସିନା ତମ ଝିଅ ସୋମାକୁ ବଞ୍ଚେଇଛି। ଆଜି ଯଦି ହାସିନା ଆସି ଏଠି ଠିକ ସମୟରେ ନ ପହଞ୍ଚିଥାନ୍ତା, ତାହେଲେ ଆଜି ତମ ଝିଅର ଅବସ୍ଥା କଣ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା କହିଲ? ଗୁରୁଜୀଙ୍କ କଥା ଶୁଣି କୃପା ସିନ୍ଧୁର ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଲାଜରେ ନଇଁଗଲା। କୃପା ସିନ୍ଧୁ କରିମକୁ କହିଲା, ଭାଇ, ତମେ ମୋତେ କ୍ଷମା କର। ଆଜି ଯଦି ହାସିନା ନଥାନ୍ତା, ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ମୋ ଝିଅ ସୋମାକୁ ପାଇନଥାନ୍ତି। ଆଜିଠାରୁ ସବୁ ରାଗ ରୁଷା ଆମେ ପାସୋରି ଦେବା, ଆଉ ଆଗ ଭଳି ଚଳିବା। ଏ କଥା ଶୁଣି କରିମ କୃପା ସିନ୍ଧୁର ଆଖିରୁ ଲୁହ ପୋଛି ଦେଇ କହିଲା, ଛାଡ଼ ଭାଇ, ଯାହା ହବାର ହେଇଗଲା। କରିମ ଆଉ କୃପା ସିନ୍ଧୁଙ୍କର ଏ ପ୍ରକାର ଭାବ ଦେଖି ଅନେକ ଦିନ ପରେ ସୋମା ଆଉ ହାସିନାଙ୍କ ମୁହଁରେ ହସ ଫୁଟି ଉଠିଲା।
First is Soma, Hasina, Karim, Krupa Sindhu. Name of the dog is here Kalia. Do you remember the story? In which standard you read it? In class 3. Name of the story is Semane Puni Hosile or Puni Semane Hosile. Got it? And from that story, what point do you like? I think there were two communities. One is Muslim, another is Hindu. They were friends at the beginning of the story, and after some time they had a quarrel, and they took the matter to the village judge, and they also have a solution for it, or they solved their problem themselves. Again they became friends. So beginning started, or the beginning of the story started with a happiness and also concluded with a happiness. Clear? So two communities, story about two communities. Like that, our today's story also about two communities. One is Muslim, another is Hindu. We give some important points about the writer. That writer is here Premchand. Who is the writer? Premchand. Premchand is the popular name before us, but the real name of Premchand is Dhanpat Rai Srivastav. Dhanpat Rai Srivastav, and he was born in Lamhi village, Varanasi or Banaras. Born in and died. Born in 31st July 1880 and died in 8th October 1936. And it is, or he is the famous Hindi writer of beginning of the 20th century. So you got the real name of Premchand is Dhanpat Rai Srivastav, but Premchand is the popular name given by the readers. So that is all about his biography, and he is a famous writer, short story writer, mainly short story writer, and he was born in a caste family in that village, and he had seen so many problems between two communities, that is Muslim and Hindu. So always his writings were full of the problems and how to get its solution. and among or between two community people. Clear? And some of the best of his writings, they are Godan, Karmbhumi, Kafan, Gabban, etc. Now we are going to read about our story. Let's go through first page of the chapter. Only first page. Today's portion is first page. And the characters are here. Karim, again the name came Karim, and Juman Sheikh, and Algu Chaudhary, and one aunt. Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary, in the beginning of the story, they were great friends. That means each trusted another. Each had a belief. Another. Here. Karim is the wife of Juman. And Juman had an old aunt. Clear? Now, one Muslim and other Hindu. They were the friends, great friends. As Juman had old aunt, and aunt had a piece of land or property. A piece of land or property. Juman always persuaded his aunt to transfer that property to his name. He always wants to have that property to his name. After a long time persuasion, aunt transferred to Juman's name that property. So here the two situations came, that before the transference and after the transference. Before the transfer of the property, Juman and his wife, they were very kind and respectful towards their aunt. But soon after the transfer of the property, as soon as the property transferred to Juman's name, all kindness, all respectfulness, they vanished. Are you getting my point? So, when all the kindness, all the respectfulness vanished, then old aunt could not bear that behavior, that changed behavior of the couple, and she demanded some money to live and eat. Here the portion. She demanded some money. Why she demanded some money? She wanted to live separately, cook and eat separately. Clear? So she wanted some money as she wanted to live separately from Juman and Karima. When she demanded, as she could not tolerate the daily quarrels between them, so she demanded some money to live separately. But when she demanded some money, her proposal had been rejected by Juman Sheikh. Juman Sheikh also rudely replied, "Money doesn't go on trees." ଆମେ କହୁନା ଗଛରେ ଫଳୁଛି କି ଟଙ୍କା, ସେମିତି ସିଏ ବି ତାକୁ କହିଲା ଗଛରେ ତ ଟଙ୍କା ଫଳୁନି. So he rejected, Juman Sheikh rejected old aunt's proposal. Then the old aunt got angry and threatened Juman to call the panchayat call a panchayat for their matter. Hereby, Juman Sheikh also agreed to her proposal by all means. Yes, you can call a panchayat by all means. I also ready for it, etc. He also gave his consent to have a proposal. Clear? Then after giving the threatening and after giving the threatening to call a panchayat, both the party, they were ready, they were agreed to meet or attend the panchayat. Panchayat, do you know? 5-man delegation. 5 joniya committee. 5-man delegation. So, panchayat, so she threatened to call a panchayat. And the 5-man delegation, the elder person of the village, 5 men, they had been selected by the people as the good persons or the elder members of the village. They are the judges. They are the judges. So as we go to the court to have our solution for the problem, if we have a quarrel in our street or among the people, then we definitely go to the court or police station to have the solution. But in the village, they don't go to the court or to the police station immediately or instantly. First of all, they try to solve the problem themselves. If that could not be or can't be solved, then later they go to the court. This is the village judiciary system. Clear? So panchayat, as the head or elder member of that village, they have to decide their case. Clear? So up to this much only, you have to remember. First is the characters. Who are the characters? Juman Sheikh and Kariman, they were husband and wife. Algu Chaudhary, Juman Sheikh, they were great friends. Juman Sheikh had old aunt, and old aunt had a piece of property, and for that piece of property, the quarrel caused. Here, so Juman Sheikh persuaded a lot to his aunt to transfer the property to his name, and before the transference of the property, Juman and Kariman, they were very kind and respectful to their aunt. But soon after the transference or transfer of the property, they changed their behavior and attitude towards the old lady. They became harsh and rude to her. So, the next point is, the old aunt could not bear that anymore, and she demanded some money to cook and eat separately, but Juman denied to pay it, and that is the quarrel begins. For that purpose only the quarrel begins. So the first quarrel is all about which plot or which fact? That is the piece of property. Clear? Piece of property. Now remember all the points from the first page up to this much. You also have to read the first page, and in our next class I will ask some questions.